Alright, in a minute I will let Greg talk about exporting from the Hear360 template, but before that I wanted to show you something very important. If you go over here to the master routing and you press that, you will notice that it says track channels 10. It's actually a mistake in the template. It needs to be 8. Now when you're going to do that, you're going to have an 8 channels spatialized sound file, which then you can mux with your video. And I finished my mix, I finished my session, I want to put it out, so I'm pressing record over there where it says the full mix. I'm recording it first.
Yeah. So if you recorded this, you wouldn't have to export anything because you would go over to your Reaper session right here and you go into, here's the Reaper session, you go into your audio folder and it would show up there. So if I go here and I start recording, I'm recording this information right now. So if I stop and I save all of this, 28H3 print master is the name of that. I go over to here, it's in the template folder. So here it is right here, and that's one 8-channel interleave file.